The AIXZGLOBAL 200 Amps TIG Welder is a versatile machine that offers 5 different welding functions, making it perfect for various DIY projects and capable of handling multiple metal types, including steel and aluminum. This welder incorporates advanced technology and high-quality components, ensuring efficient and stable welding with features like easy arc starting and low spatter. A prominent LED display on the welder allows for easy monitoring and adjustment of current and welding modes, and it is protected by a dust cover for durability. The dual voltage capability of this welder, supporting both 110 volts and 220 volts, offers flexibility and ease of use in different environments. With its lightweight design, weighing only 20 pounds, and a compact size, this welder is highly portable, making it convenient to transport and use in various locations. The package includes essential accessories like a TIG torch and electrode holder, and the product offers lifetime support, ensuring users have the resources and help they need.